Hello friends, welcome to Pix and Design. Today we are going to design this gradient log with Creative World Adobe Illustrator. So, let's start. First let's draw the oval shape, set the fill color to black. Then select the ellipse tool. And draw the circle by holding the Shift and Alt key. Then go to the edit and select copy, then again select paste in front. Then select the copy on front and turn the size down as you wish. Then set the fill to white. After select the both circles and go to the Pathfinder panel and click on -front. Okay, so far so good. Now let's draw the arrow shape. Set the default fill color to gray. Then choose the pen tool and start the drawing. Adjust the anchor points with direct selection tool to correct the look. Fine, then make the shape smooth with smooth tool. Okay, then go to the layer panel, and move down the arrow tail under to the oval shape. Keep triangle on top of the oval and rename all. Fine, then let's start to add the gradients. Go to the gradient panel, and select the black and white gradient, then set it to linear. Select the gradient tool, and drag from up to down. Then set the same gradient to arrow shape too. Now let's add the colors. Here in the left I have show you the color codes. First select the oval and go to the gradient panel, then click on the black slider and select the color picker, and set the color from color code. We can do the same to the arrow shape also. Then with gradient tool, try to make look efficient by dragging side to side. Okay, now let's make inside shades. Go the gradient panel and select the black and white gradient, then take a copy of white slide and delete the black slide, then select the right side slide and set the opacity to 0. Select the pen tool. Now we can draw the shades on top of the oval. Don't worry, we can remove the outside part by holding the Shift key. Select the shade and oval. Now both are selected. Then go to the Shape Builder tool. Press Alt and turn the cursor to minus. Then select the outside part that we want to remove. Then go to the transparency panel, and set the mod to soft light. Then go to the effect stylize, then click on drop shadow, set the opacity to 30. Then take some copies of shade, by holding Alt key. And arrange them and fine-tune. Okay, then follow the same method to add shades on the arrow too. Then let's create a background too. Select the rectangle tool and create a rectangle and make the size as same as the artboard. Then go to the gradient panel and select the black and white gradient. Then take a copy of white slider and delete the black one. Set the right slider color gray. Then take the gradient tool and drag from top to the down. Then move the rectangle to the bottom. Okay, then finally let's add a shadow. Draw an ellipse with ellipse tool and fill it with black. Then go to the Effect, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and turn up the radius. Then change the opacity like 29 or 30. Okay, we did it. Let's meet with another tutorial and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.